the Tour de PACLANTIC, the cross-country bicycle tour for veterans and their pets. Today is April 17th, 2018. This is our first day on the road. Check out the scenery, guys. I'm going to do a shout out while I'm at it. Intelligent Design Cycles, SineWave Cycles, Trailside Bicycle Company, many others that have helped me out on my PayPal account. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. We couldn't have done this without you. The insurance company won't submit a payment without a receipt. I wouldn't have had anything. So, thank you guys so very much. By the way, this is our 19th state. Louisiana, here we are! From Harold and Daisy, adios.